Leading an active lifestyle is important to me, but I'm worried about the impact that exercise, especially running, can have on my joints. So I spoke to my doctor about my options.
If you're active and you want to stay active, consider supplementing with the advanced joint health formula Arthromax Elite. Arthromax supports healthy, comfortable freedom of movement with 3 scientifically researched ingredients: Chinese skullcap, white mulberry, and Kutch tree. This beneficial trifecta of extracts is proven to help improve comfort and ease of motion, promote healthy joint cartilage, and inhibit inflammation to promote joint health.
After doing some research, it turns out that Life Extension backs up their claims with independent studies. Now, I'm even more confident that Arthromax Elite is exactly what I need.
In one clinical study, participants who took Chinese skullcap extract for just 90 days experienced significant improvement in comfort and ease of motion.
It's only been a few weeks and I've already noticed the difference. I feel like myself again. I'm back on track. Plus, I know that I'm taking care of my joints for the long run.